Red Dot is a global leader in the manufacture and design of heavy-duty mobile climate control solutions specific to off-road vehicles and on-road trucking. We have manufacturing operations in Seattle, in Memphis, in Ipswich and in Shanghai.
Our business is made up of several different marketplaces, both from a custom design perspective for OEMs, as well as aftermarket distributors who help take our product into areas that we really can't reach. And they're just great business partners. We've always looked at solving customers' issues, customers' challenges with different innovative solutions, whether it be from a complete HVAC unit design or something as simple as an electronic actuator that might be dual. This one in particular is dual voltage, and it's sealed for the rugged industry that we put our products into. Other types of products that we've developed over the years includes a fully automatic temperature control system with infinitely variable blower speed, but it also has system protection built right into it and system diagnostics that can really help customers get to an issue or prevent an issue on their air conditioning system. So we kind of like to say that it gives you the comfort that the operator wants, but the value that the owner really expects.
What sets Red Dot apart is our world-class engineering, operational excellence and rigorous testing. Our custom climate control solutions are known for their value and reliability across a full range of applications.
All of our products at Red Dot Corporation get validated in either a systems calorimeter or vibration table. We've got testing capability that's second to none in our industry, and what makes it even better than anybody else is the actual people that run the testing facility. Our testing systems are so advanced and so precise that a lot of people contract test for us. They come in, whether it's got our system on it or not, they want to know what it's going to be able to do, and our systems can give us a very repeatable results and know exactly what happens when you change a component or change a given item in an air conditioning system. But we've got electronics labs that evaluate things like RFI and EMI. We've got advanced vibration testing. Even printing our own parts for prototypes is something that we've built in-house. And that's another legacy of Red Dot Corporation. We're very vertically integrated, so we control a lot of our own destiny and don't necessarily have to rely on a really widespread supply base. And it enables us to respond to customers' needs very, very quickly. We've always viewed our customers as business partners, whether it's in the aftermarket or the OEM marketplace, and we really work together with our customers to develop the solutions that they really are looking for and that they're interested in. And it might be from an OEM perspective, they can count on our engineering team to keep pace with their new product development team so that we're never holding up a new project, and we're always there ready to build the prototype or test the final configuration or launch production so that we're keeping pace with people. During the development process at Red Dot, we're often engaged with our customers on a daily or weekly basis, and it's something that I think our customers really value. They don't have to contact a salesperson or they don't have to contact a program manager. They can get directly to the engineer that's working on their product at that particular time, and it really helps keep the process of product development moving and moving smoothly in an ensured manner that we're going to meet their needs.
Red Dot's brand is synonymous with quality and durability. The lifespan of our system is measured not in years, but in decades. Our systems are built for the most punishing environments, all part of our promise to provide customers with value-added engineering.